Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Icemaker fill tube and the waterline assembly in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a short flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Icemaker fill tube and water line assembly. The Icemaker fill tube and the water line assembly connects the water inlet valve to the Icemaker. The main reason for the fill tube assembly replacement is water leaking from the broken fill tube bulb. The leak will cause an ice buildup and the Icemaker will stop making ice. Open the refrigerator doors. Remove the shelves on the right side. Press the lever and pull down the cover. Unscrew the water filter, turning it counterclockwise, and then remove it. Push the cover hinge off the hinge pin on either side and slide the cover out. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the top vertical slots on the bottom cover and push it inwards to unlock the tabs. Using the same screwdriver, unlock the two center tabs by pushing them down. Open the cover, rock it side to side to free the bottom tabs and remove the cover. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the center slot in the upper cover. Push it up to release the tab. Lift off the upper cover. Unclip all the water tubes from the brackets. Release the water inlet valve. Have a towel ready at the bottom. We may have some water dripping down from the tubes. Press the locking skirt at the top left water inlet valve port and pull out the clear tube. Get to the top of the fridge. Remove the cover on the left side. Pull the old Icemaker fill tube out. If there's a frost build up around the opening up on the top, you will need to defrost it. Use a blow dryer or heat gun to melt all the frost. Put some permanent gum compound to better seal it when you're going to reassemble it. This is the old Icemaker fill tube and waterline assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the end of the tube into the opening on the top and feed it through. Push the fill bulb in the large opening all the way and replace the cover. Inside the fridge, slide the end of the water line into the water inlet valve port. Make sure it's not coming out any soon. Install the water inlet valve. Tag the water lines into the retainers. Remove the towel. Install the upper cover. Install the lower cover. Install the water filter cover on the hinge pin from one side, slightly bend open the cover and hook it onto the second hinge pin. Install the water filter in and turn it clockwise. Latch the cover. Install the shelves. Now we can close the doors turn the water on and plug the fridge back in. Allow a few hours for the ice maker to kick in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.